All right, guys, welcome back. We are going to go ahead and attempt to restore the luster to the spoiler on the Hellcat today. I'm going to be using the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Restoration Kit. So the instructions of these are pretty easy. Basically, you buy the box. It comes with 10 of these wipes. They're individually packaged. It comes with a set of gloves inside, but I'm going to use my own gloves. What you basically do is you take one of the wipes, you will wipe it over the trim with overlaying patterns the whole way across so that you get a nice even coat. What I'm going to also do, and this does have it on the instructions, is I'm going to take one of my applicator pads, and after I'm finished applying the restorer, I'm just going to give it a quick, not buff, but a quick wipe one good time to kind of even it out, to make sure that it's nice and even across the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and get this applied. And let me get my microfiber cloth ready as well, so once I get it all put down, I can get it evened out. So let's go. Nice thick here. Just going to apply it the whole way across the spoiler, along the back and the top, along the sides. I'm going to take my fingers and curl it up and run it across the bottom edge here a few times, just to make sure that I get every side of the spoiler. Lift it up, do the bottom side here, and the bottom side on the other side. Now, we'll go ahead and get the back side of the spoiler. So again, the front side. Sides, bottom lip, and the back side. So it looks like we got it all coated there. We're just going to take the microfiber, like it says in the instructions, give it a quick once over to kind of even everything out. Run it again along the bottom edge and along the back side. All right. All right, now that we got it all nice and applied, we'll let it sit overnight. I'll come back out in the morning and take some more video and pictures. I already have the pre-pictures done when I had it removed, but we're going to go ahead, let it sit, cure overnight, and see how she's looking in the morning. All right, guys, so it's the next day. As you can tell, the spoiler is a little bit shinier, more even coated. So let's take a quick... It looks like it did improve it a lot. It doesn't have a lot of streaks or kind of anything like that on it. So I would say it's a success. I'm gonna post some pictures at the end of this video, both before and after, so y'all can get a better look of what it's looking like. But yeah, I gotta say I'm happy with the results.